All right, what's up, everybody? It's Kalen Moss, aka the MinuteAdmin here, and I've got a question from one of my subscribers on the channel. Her name is Evely, and she asked me if Marketing Cloud is a part of the Salesforce ecosystem. So I'm going to answer that question. First of all, I want to say yes, it is, but I'm going to also show you how it fits into the Salesforce ecosystem. So stay tuned. All right, so I came over here to Salesforce.com, and all you have to do when you come to Salesforce is go to this Customer 360. If you're not familiar with the Customer 360, I can make another video about that, but I'm not going to go into too much detail. But basically what it means is the 360-degree view of a customer. So what are the products in the Salesforce Customer 360 circle here? So what you all are probably very used to if you're coming over for the very first time in Salesforce is you're used to this Sales Cloud. So if you're trying to be a Salesforce admin or platform app builder or get your, advanced admin certification or Platform Developer 1 certification, you've probably just been inside of Sales Cloud or maybe Service Cloud the entire time. So whatever you're comfortable with, like on the sales or on the Salesforce side, that's going to be Sales and Service Cloud really. Service Cloud has some other features that Sales Cloud doesn't offer, which is really meant for customer service departments. But there's also this other part of Salesforce, which is a part of the Customer 360 platform, which is marketing. So what makes marketing? So that's going to be Marketing Cloud and Pardot. So if you haven't heard of Pardot, that's another tool for marketers. It's really business to business. That's what Salesforce uses that tool for. But Marketing Cloud is going to be business to consumer. So think about if you've ever received a message from your favorite brands, like something like Nike or Adidas or something like that. They send messages out to customers. So if you've ever got a message saying, hey, check out these new shoes, or if you shop at Lululemon or something like that, you receive a message from a company. That's a business to consumer tool right there. So that's what Marketing Cloud is used for. So let's just go ahead and look at, you're used to Sales Cloud here, growing your sales team, your sales pipeline, selling things like if you've heard of the things like leads, contacts, accounts, cases, opportunities, reports and dashboards. That's all inside of Sales Cloud. So if we look here, you're very used to what this looks like here. If you're inside of Sales Cloud, you've got your sales app right here. You have your opportunities, your leads, accounts, campaigns, contacts, opportunities, files, reports and dashboards. That's all Sales and Service Cloud. That's what you're used to, like I said. And now, what is Marketing Cloud? Marketing Cloud is going to be the tool that you take your CRM data from, so Sales Cloud or Service Cloud. You take that CRM data and you plug it into Marketing Cloud, and then you send relevant, insightful messages out to your customers through email, through push messages on people's mobile apps, or through text messages and through social media. There's so many different ways that you can send those messages out to your customers. So you take that CRM data that was over here in Sales Cloud, right? So you've got all this data you're storing about your customers, and then you come over to Marketing Cloud, and then you actually send a message out to those customers. So you send emails out to those customers. You send text messages out to those customers because you're storing all of their data. Now you need a way to actually intelligently market to those customers. That's where Marketing Cloud comes in. So Marketing Cloud, as you can see, Marketing Cloud is a part of that 360-degree circle around a customer. So in Sales and Service Cloud, let's say in Sales Cloud, we're holding all of this data that we want to use to sell to our customers for our sales reps. So our sales reps can use that to sell to this customer here. Service Cloud can be used to make sure that when that customer calls into this customer service department, we have a better streamlined experience to further assist that customer when that customer calls in. Now, the next part is marketing. So let's just say that you were finished with a case. You had just called into a company like AT&T or Verizon, and you said, hey, I need you to fix my phone plan or fix my phone. And then the customer service rep figured that out for you. Well, afterwards, they may send out a survey to make sure that you had a great experience with the customer service rep. So where would you send that message, that email out from? You would send that through Marketing Cloud. So Marketing Cloud comes in and it actually enhances the customer's experience. So as you can see, there's actually a lot of different tools and different clouds and services and platforms that you can use inside of the Customer 360. Marketing Cloud is just one of those tools. Another way to show you that this is a part of Salesforce is if you look on Trailhead, you're very used to this screen right here. You're on the trailhead.salesforce.com screen, and you go down and you choose your role. You go to Salesforce Administrator, and let's say you're studying for the Administrator certification. Most of you watching this video are very familiar with the Administrator certification, Advanced Admin, Platform App Builder certification. If you go to Salesforce Developer, this person right here, you're probably familiar with the Omni Studio Developer or Platform Developer 1. Okay, so those are all of the certifications that you're used to. You're used to the Admin Cert, and that's what you've been hearing about this whole time. Well, does Marketing Cloud come into play? Yep, it's right over here in the Salesforce Marketer area right here. So if you click Salesforce Marketer, then you can come down here and you can see you could get the Marketing Cloud Email Specialist certification, which is the first cert I always say people should start with. And then you can do the Marketing Cloud Administrator certification. So as you can see, these are all Salesforce certifications. We just call it Marketing Cloud. So it might be called something different, just like if you look over here in the Customer 360, Sales Cloud is Salesforce. Like every time you say I do Salesforce, you're either working in Sales Cloud or Service Cloud, maybe Commerce Cloud as well. But you're working in one of these clouds here. Marketing Cloud, remember it's just clouds. Marketing Cloud is another cloud owned by Salesforce underneath the Salesforce Customer 360 umbrella here. So to answer the question of is Salesforce or is Marketing Cloud a part of Salesforce? 100% yes, it is a part of Salesforce, and that is proven by looking at this Customer 360 right here. Also looking at the different products that Salesforce has to offer, which is Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, and we also can see that underneath Trailhead. So if you go to Trailhead, you can look at the Salesforce Administrator role here, and you could get the admin certification, or you could click on this Salesforce Marketer role, and you could get the Marketing Cloud Email Specialist certification, which is why I always say you should try to do something different if you're brand new to the Salesforce ecosystem. So if you're brand new to Salesforce, then try doing the Marketing Cloud Email Specialist certification first before the Salesforce Administrator. You don't have to do the Salesforce Administrator first as soon as you're in the Salesforce ecosystem. It's just what everybody is used to. It's what everybody talks about. It's the popular thing. But the demand is much higher, in my opinion, from what I've seen. The demand is still very high for Salesforce admins, don't get me wrong. But the demand is extremely high for Salesforce Marketing Cloud email specialists, Marketing Cloud administrators, Marketing Cloud developers, Marketing Cloud consultants, Pardot consultants, Pardot specialists, because there's not as many people coming into the Salesforce ecosystem and learning this. It would be like going to be a doctor and you go and you're a general practitioner. There's a lot of general practitioners. How many neurosurgeons are there out in the world? How many spine surgeons are there out in the world? Not many. So the demand is going to be extremely high for a neurosurgeon when that person has the abilities and the skills to do neurosurgery. So equate it to something like that. Like think about the demand. That's why I always tell people go and do Marketing Cloud first. Not many people are doing it, and you're going to be in high demand if you do learn Marketing Cloud. Speaking of learning Marketing Cloud, I do have a course on Marketing Cloud. So if you're interested in that course, hit the link in the description below and you'll be taken to that course, and you will learn everything you need to learn about Marketing Cloud. So that's really all I've got for you in this video. The question was, is Marketing Cloud a part of the Salesforce ecosystem? And yes, it is 100% a part of the Salesforce ecosystem. If you enjoyed this video, if you got value out of it, go ahead and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future MinuteAdmin videos. Thanks.